For the purposes of the camera, I've just kicked Bertie in the shins.
With big ass boots.
Look, with these bad boys. Right, okay. You're supposed to be a dead zombie, stop laughing. Right. Yeah, I'll do Alright. Bloody hell. God, dearie me. Right. And now, Zombie Theatre proudly presents Timon and Pumbaa in Athens. Sorry, that's Timon of Athens.
Well, thanks, gentlemen. Give me your hands. We must eat time together. Well, thank you, gentlemen. Give me your hands. We must eat time together.